Many people believe that making money online is only for the skilled, but this is a myth. The internet offers numerous opportunities that don't require specialized skills. In today's exploration, we will unveil various simple yet effective methods to earn online. Whether you have experience or not, these approaches are accessible to everyone. We will guide you through options that allow anyone with basic internet skills to start generating income, emphasizing that what matters most is the willingness to learn and adapt, not your current skill set. Participating in online surveys and reviews is an accessible way to start making money online. To begin, simply register on survey platforms. These platforms often feature a variety of surveys, including consumer feedback, opinion polls, and product reviews. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to sign up for multiple platforms and consistently participate. Always provide honest and thorough responses, as the quality of your input can lead to more opportunities. Additionally, some platforms offer bonuses for regular participation or detailed reviews, making it possible to increase your income over time. Selling photos and designs online is a fantastic way for individuals with basic design skills to earn money. Platforms like Shutterstock and Redbubble provide accessible marketplaces where anyone can upload their creative work and sell it to a global audience. These platforms do not require professional-level skills. Even simple, well-composed photos or basic graphic designs can earn you income. The key is to upload content that is in demand and visually appealing. Regularly updating your portfolio and responding to market trends can significantly increase your visibility and sales on these platforms. Freelance writing and content creation offer a multitude of opportunities for novices to earn online. You can start with blogging, focusing on topics you are passionate about to captivate an audience. Similarly, writing product descriptions is a straightforward task that online retailers frequently seek out. Creating simple video content for platforms like YouTube can also be lucrative. This might include tutorials, unboxing videos, or everyday life vlogs. These content creation methods require minimal experience, yet they hold potential for significant revenue as you refine your skills and grow your audience over time. Affiliate marketing is a prime way to make money online without requiring your own products or website. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. To start, you can join affiliate programs offered by many companies. Once accepted, you'll receive affiliate links to share. These can be effectively distributed through social media, emails, or even video content descriptions. No website? No problem. Focus on creating engaging content that integrates these links naturally, driving potential customers to make purchases, thereby earning you commissions without the necessity of a personal website. In summary, making money online is accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. We've explored practical methods like online surveys, selling photos, freelance writing, and affiliate marketing, which do not require advanced skills. I encourage you to start with any of these methods and discover what works best for you. Remember, the key to success in any online endeavor is persistence. Patience and consistent effort are crucial as you navigate your way toward generating an online income. Start small, stay dedicated, and gradually you will see your efforts pay off.